Hey everyone, this is Professor Excel, and my goal is to show you how to use Excel with a real life and hopefully more entertaining twist than most other videos. What sets this series apart from other Excel tutorials is we'll be starting off as if this is your first day at the company. And you applied to join as an entry-level Excel analyst. Now, it doesn't really sound like a real job title, but a lot of analysts use Excel, so let's just put ourselves kind of in that mindset when we do this series. Hopefully, these real examples give you some insight into how you can use Excel in your professional roles. The analyst themes will mostly be around human resources and finance data, but I hope to expand that if we can get some community questions and involvement. We'll have some tutorials ranging from formatting to lookups to pivot tables, and I would recommend you have some working knowledge of Excel before tuning into this series. If you're anything like me, your attention span isn't longer than an hour, let alone 30 minutes. I'm going to make sure the videos sit at less than 30 minutes so we can accomplish tasks you'll remember in an easy-to-remember video that you can quickly come back to. To start off, as an example, let me show you a couple spreadsheets and what we plan on doing in this series. So we're going to kind of have mock questions where you get an email and then you get a couple spreadsheets and then you're asked to do something. When we do our next example in the next video, it's going to be these two spreadsheets, two really messy spreadsheets. And sometimes you get spreadsheets like this, and it might be your first day on the job, it might be your first month, it might be your first year, and you get overwhelmed. You see a lot of craziness, a lot of non-rounding, a lot of empty cells, and a lot of errors. And you're asked to fix that because you're the Excel guru. That's what you're hired to do. So I'm going to show you how to digest this and go step by step and make it a simple process to be able to make this meaningful, to join the two spreadsheets, and not only that, but to clean it up and to go the extra step. So how can we make these two spreadsheets on the screen turn into this spreadsheet? Meaningful data, sorted data with formatting tools to show heat maps and joining the two different tables, and then the two different spreadsheets into one table. And then we'll move into pivot tables, how to make this data even more meaningful. And that'll kind of be the theme. I'll show you the formulas, I'll take our time step by step so we're not overwhelmed and we can turn non-meaningful data into something more meaningful. I'm looking forward to making this online learning as enjoyable as possible and hope to post weekly and answer as many questions as I can. With that being said, grab your drink of choice and let's get started. Click on the next video if you want to start learning. Thanks.